hold on, ComfyUI in the cloud, totally free, unlimited, and without needing to install a model? Yeah, it sounds too good to be true, but it's a service that the ComfyUI team is promoting. It's a new solution they have. With what I'm going to show you today, you'll be able to run ComfyUI on an old laptop you have, or even on your phone if you have one, and it doesn't need to be a powerful phone either. In fact, any device with internet access will allow you to use ComfyUI with this service I'm showing you today without spending a dime. That's because, as I said, we'll be running it in the cloud. So basically, to create these images, videos, or anything you want within ComfyUI, we'll be running it on a server that's miles away, you know? And it really does sound too good to be true, right? Because these servers are expensive to maintain, and in this case, we'll be using them for free, okay? I'm going to show you how this works today. Well, the service we're going to use here is ComfyCloud, okay? It's an official service from the ComfyUI team, so don't worry. There won't be any issues with your computer. You won't need to install anything, and you don't even need to have ComfyUI installed on your computer. Everything we'll do here will be in the browser, okay? And it's completely safe, so don't worry about that. So I'll leave this link here for you, okay? There's a little waitlist button here, and I'll explain how it works. And below we also have a video explaining a bit about how this service works, okay? I'll click here so we can watch together and explain some of the features, right? What this new service offers, okay? So here it says, right? Zero setup, so we won't need to configure anything. You don't need to install anything on your computer. You don't even need to have ComfyUI installed on your computer to use this service, right? It's basically a website you open to use it. It says here that it will always be running, right? The latest version of ComfyWire, so it will always have the updated version of ComfyWire, and you don't even need to worry about updating it. It says there will be various models ready for use, so you no longer need to worry about downloading models, okay? It will come directly with all the models installed. It will offer you powerful GPUs, right? Super powerful graphics cards with lots of VRAM, so you can create your videos, images, anything you want to create, you can do with this service here. And here it says, right, that there's a vast library of packs, right, of nodes that you can use here as well, okay? So it even shows some of the packs, right, of nodes that we have access to here for now. And finally, it says you can sync your local ComfyWire. So if you already have ComfyWire installed on your computer, you can also sync it with this new cloud service, okay? So it's a very interesting service. It's still in beta, okay? And that's why you actually need to join this waitlist, okay? But it's very straightforward. I'll show you how it works. So you'll click this button here. Since I already have an account, if I click this button, it will go straight to my ComfyUI in the cloud. But for you, this page won't open yet, okay? For you, the following will appear. Let me open this link in an incognito tab just to show you how it will appear here. So clicking this button here, the first time you open this site, click this button and then this will appear for you, okay? Here you basically enter your ComfyUI account. So you'll put it here or below. So if you have a Google account, you'll click here in this part or on GitHub. And if it's not a Google account, you put it here, you log in here, okay? If you don't have an account yet, you can click here and sign up, create your ComfyUI account. After you've logged in, it will automatically direct you to a page that will say you're on the wait list, and when this appears, you're not yet actually able to use this service. When this page appears, it means you're on the wait list, you're in a queue, and in a few hours or minutes, you'll receive an email saying you're actually able to use this service. So the email you'll receive will be this one saying you're invited to use ComfyCloud, and then you'll click this button here to actually access this service. I've already told several students about this new service and they've all been approved, okay? So if you do this correctly, right? Sign up for the waitlist, you'll probably be approved too within a few minutes or hours, okay? It's very straightforward. They're approving everyone, even if you just created an account, all right? So clicked here, it will automatically direct you to ComfyCloud, which is this service where you'll actually open ComfyWire here and you can start using the service. So clicking here on templates, you already have several workflows you can use here, right? So we have templates here, right? Workflows for video creation, for example. We can filter, right? I prefer to filter here, look, so video. We have here, look, some workflows of 1.2.2 Animate Rumo, right? Which is a workflow where you import an image, you import an audio, then you can create the person in the image speaking. Actually, the image you import is more of a reference. It won't be exactly that image of that person. To do this, I much prefer Infinity Talk. We also have a video here on the channel about it. We also have the 1.2.2 workflows for animation, right? Both here, fan control, fan ENP, first, last frame, right? A workflow where you import the first frame, the last frame, and it animates between these two frames. So there are a ton of workflows you can use here within the ComfyCloud. I'll try to do some testing here with you guys. I'll grab this one here, which is the 1.2.2 text to video workflow. This is a basic one for creating videos from text. So basically you just write your prompt here. You don't need to install any model. Everything is already set up nicely here. I just selected it. Let me pull it up again here. The workflow comes here in video. It's already all configured here. You don't need to change any model. Just write what you want and ask it to run. In this case, there's already something written here. I'll just ask it to run and it will start creating it for me. It's completely free at the moment I'm recording this video. Obviously, at some point, they will want to charge for this because there are servers running miles away and these servers are expensive, right? For them to maintain. So obviously this service will be paid at some point, but since it's in beta, it's completely free. You can use it and it's really good because you don't need to install anything here, right? It's like this, right? While it's loading here, let me show you this Notion page, which is also an official page from the team, right? And here they talk a little about how it works. I'll even leave this link for you guys too, okay? It talks here about this template issue and such. What I'm explaining in this video, I got from here, obviously, because these were the official information they released, okay? And here at the end, we have a FAQ section, which are probably the questions you have below. So basically how this service is charged, as I said, the beta is completely free here, but obviously when it goes public, they will charge a subscription. You might have to pay a monthly fee to use this service here. It says it's based on your GPU usage, the GPU usage you will have here in this service. It says that the time you spend, it will charge, and if the GPU is idle, like not being used, if you're just on the ComfyUI page but not running anything, it won't be spending, which is really cool. It talks here about some people saying they can't get access, that it's still in beta and you need to join the waitlist. As I said, everyone I sent this link to was able to access it on the same day, okay? So anyway, leave a comment below if you have any difficulty accessing this service, okay? But I believe 90% of people will be able to use this quite easily. It says here that at the moment you can't upload new models, so you can't upload here, right? Import new models here. So the models that are here are the only ones you can use. So if you import, for example, a workflow that uses a model that isn't here, you won't be able to use it, unfortunately. The same goes for nodes. So currently in this service, you can only use native nodes. So if you want to import, for example, a workflow that has nodes that aren't native, that are community nodes, for example, it will show up in red and ask if you want to make a request for them to add these nodes at some point. I'll even do a test with you guys. So before doing the test, let me just hit play here so you can see in the video. So we were able to generate the video completely free using this new service, and without needing to install anything. It was really quick and we can already use this workflow quite easily. Let me pull up a workflow I have here just to show what will appear if there aren't any nodes you need to run the workflow. So let me pull up here. I'm going to grab Infinity Talk. For me, it's the best workflow that exists for you to do lip sync. So you can import an image, import an audio, and you can make that person in the image speak that audio, okay? And then importing here, it even recognized some nodes that I thought it wouldn't recognize, like in this case, the Van Vita wrapper and such, but it didn't recognize these two nodes here, for example. And unfortunately, you can't add this one because it doesn't give you the option here of the manager. You don't have a manager here. Even in the FAQ, it was written that the Comfy Cloud has a manager, but this test version unfortunately doesn't support custom nodes, right? Including the manager, okay? So currently there is no manager. There's no way to install nodes that aren't the ones provided here, okay? So in summary, if you imported a workflow and a red node appeared, at the moment you won't be able to run this workflow using this service. But over time, they will obviously keep adding new nodes and such, so I believe that over time, this might be the best service for you to run ComfyUI in the cloud without needing to install anything. Maybe you'll have access to ComfyUI with all the nodes and all the models that exist in some time. Here it talks about how I can check the status of my generation. So I'm generating a video. Let me grab here an example, grab this same workflow, and then we'll ask it to run again since it's with another seed here, right? So it will run and create a new video for us. So I'll ask here to run. It will start running here for you to check how the progress is. If you click here on the logs, it doesn't show up, unfortunately. So that's a difference in this cloud version here, okay? So you won't click here. You'll actually click on this little part here that is the generation queue. You can see everything that has already been generated here using this version of ComfyUI Cloud, and you can see here if it's running and such, it's creating what you asked for, okay? Including, it's also here that you can download the images, right? of the videos you want. And that's basically it, okay? The use of ComfyCloud here is really simple, obviously, right? As I mentioned, there are some limitations mainly, right? The fact that you can't run some workflows either due to a lack of nodes or a lack of models, okay? But the workflows we have here in the template section, you will be able to run smoothly, right? So it's already a pretty cool service, especially for those who are just starting out, right? Those who are starting out use this a lot. After a while, you end up not using this anymore, right? You end up creating your own workflows to be able to do it, right? Automate this creation process a bit more that you have there. So for example, I have 75, right? 76 workflows here that I created myself for different needs, right? These are workflows that we don't find here and such. These are optimized workflows, so you can generate faster, better. There's, for example, the workflow of, right, which is a workflow where you can do the, as I said, the best that exists. There's a workflow for character creation. Anyway, there's a bunch of workflows here, and if you want to have access, right? All these workflows here, there are also more than 80 classes we have explaining how it actually works, right? What's the logic here of creating how this part of models works, importing how you can solve various problems people have, right? With people who are just starting out mainly. So if you really want to get into it, I'll leave my coupon here, right? So you can get a discount on the course purchase, okay? So that's it. I hope you liked it, found it useful, and see you at the